The Glimpses of India, Part 3, Tea from Assam, written by Arup Kumar Datta, who was born in Jorhat in Assam. Now, this chapter, Tea from Assam, in this chapter, Arup Kumar Datta describes how tea as a popular has become a popular beverage in the world, and over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. And then the lesson also tells us about the tea plantation and the stories related to the introduction of tea in India for the first time. And then it is in the form of a dialogue between Rajveer and Pranjol. Now, see in the chapter, Pranjol, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjol's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjol has visited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Garam chai, a vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. So, vendor was selling the tea in high-pitched, raised voice. He came to their window and asked, "Chai sahab, give us 2 cups," Pranjol said. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Then they drank the steaming liquid. Steaming means hot steam was coming out from it. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. "View," exclaimed Pranjol, "tea really is very popular." The train pulled out of the station. Pranjol buried his nose in his detective book again. As the train pulled out of the station, Pranjol buried his nose in the spy book, detective book, Jasusi ki kitab. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. Uh, but Rajveer too is very, very ardent. Ardent means a very strong fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was anxious to look at the beautiful scenery outside. It was green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. And then came the soft green paddy fields, rice fields, and again they gave way to tea bushes. It was a magnificent view, grand view. Against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. And it was a very, very grand, very beautiful scene. Backdrop was the hills, densely wooded hills हैं और जहाँ तक eyes जाती है, as far as the eye could see, there were tea bushes. Dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade leaves, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes, busily moved doll-like figures. And dwarfing the tiny tea plants. Tiny tea plants were shorter in height, और उनको dwarfing करते हुए, उन्हें dominate करते हुए, were the tall, sturdy shade trees. They were long, strong trees in the middle of the orderly rows of bushes, busily bored. और इन bushes के बीच में, rows के बीच में, busy doll-like figures थी. They were the ladies who were plucking the tea leaves. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys. और एक distance में ugly सी building है, very bad building, poor in condition building, with the smoke coming out of its chimney. "Hey, a tea garden!" Rajveer cried excitedly. Pranjol, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. Naturally, Pranjol was brought up, so was not so much excited. "Oh, this is a tea country now," he said. "Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime." And so Pranjol says that yes, it's a tea country, and Assam has the largest tea plantations in the world. "I have been reading as much as I could about tea," Rajveer said. "No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends." Legends means traditional story from long ago. "What legends?" "Well, there is one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor." तो एक story है, right? A Chinese emperor always boiled water, और एक दिन few leaves of the branches of the tree fell into it. It gave a very nice flavor. "It is said they were tea leaves." "Tell me another," scoffed Pranjol. एकदम Pranjol ने कहा, "Okay." Pranjol laughed and he said, "Okay, tell the another legend." और उसने कहा कि दूसरा one, we have an Indian legend too. Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic. That is Bodhidharma. He was a Buddhist monk. He cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditations. उन्होंने अपनी eyelids काट ली थी because उन्हें meditations में नींद आती थी. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drank, banished sleep. और ये माना जाता है कि उस लीव्स की जब उसको गर्म पानी में डाला गया, it finished the sleep. Tea was first drunk in China, Rajveer added, as far back as to 2700 BC. Now, Rajveer said that tea was first drank in China, and it was a drink before Christ, that is 2700 years before the birth of Christ. In fact, words such as tea, chai, and chini are from Chinese. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century and was drunk more as medicine than as beverage. And the people in Europe, they drank it more as a medicine than a beverage. Beverage means general drinking. Now the train clattered into the Mariani Junction, and now the train, it came with a great noise, great sound into this junction station. The boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform. Pranjol's parents were waiting for them. Soon they were driving towards